pagmamahal namin sa papa mo is actually loving the Philippines and also the entire Filipino community all over the world. Yeah, really. Please be strong.
Yes, I will. Thank
And
you.
together with your family.
I think you should tell that to my mom kasi yan yung iyakin. So, ako walang problema sa akin. So,
Thank you talaga.
Palaban day
thank
ka.
you.
Because,
Imo
it's
ma-
very important for us
Always,
kasi
mama.
kami mga Pilipino hindi talaga kami bibitiw hanggang sa dulo literal.
Thank
Thank you
you.
ha.
Thank you.
Agay na tanang ano daw
I
sige kag
think
ito.
I brought like 15 pairs of these.
Okay, there you
Demo.
have it.
Kasi I don't want to have to wake up in the morning and then I have to think of what I need to wear. Like, there are more pressing matters to attend to. So,
That's
parang,
good.
okay, I just wear black.
Yeah, that's good.
And makapayat ang black. So,
Alam, mag-blast na ito, guwapa.
yeah. So, makapayat. Well, namayat man jud ko. Kay, you know, unlike my mom, malaman. Pero I was 60 plus before. Oh my God.
So,
Pero now you know,
can you give a message to the Filipino community all over the world personally?
yes.
Your own conviction and your message to the Filipinos.
For me, honestly, I'm still a student. I'm young, so this isn't political to me. It's the man inside he's my father. So
Yeah.
I don't really. I put aside all the issues, and then for me, it's just my father inside. So the kind of gratitude I feel towards the people who love him and support him, grabe yun. It's overwhelming, and I'm very thankful. Kasi he's not the mayor, he's not the president, he's not, tatay lang, ganun. So,
Daghang kayong salamat, Kitty, because
grabe yung
you really inspired a lot of Filipinos. Your resilience, your mental strength, your character and endurance to go through all of this very difficult situation. Keep on fighting.
yes.